Gaano ba katibay ang iyong knees? I am 68 years old at ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano pa katibay ang aking knees. At the same time, exercise din ito para sa bewang. Okay? Dapat meron kang something to hold. Ganyan. And then, nakaganon ang binti mo. Ganyan. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ilang counts ang makakaya ko. Okay? Ganyan. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Hanggang 40 lang. Hi everyone, this is Seniors Life in America and I'm inviting you to please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos.